If Instagram is not working on mobile data but works on Wi-Fi, here's how to fix it. First, check if mobile data is enabled for Instagram. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Tap on data usage. Make sure to toggle on the background data option is turned on. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off. This refreshes your network connection and can help restore mobile data. If Instagram is not loading, restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix network glitches. Make sure your mobile data is actually working by opening other apps or a browser. If nothing loads, you may have no data left on your plan or a network issue. Contact your mobile provider for assistance. Clear Instagram's cache by going to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find the Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, try Clear Data. This will log you out. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap Update if available. If the problem persists, reinstall Instagram. Uninstall the app, restart your phone and download it again from the Google Play Store. That's it. Hopefully this helps you fix the Instagram not working on mobile data issue. If this worked, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.